Good morning and welcome to week 3 of my 12 miles in 12 weeks challenge, where I add a mile every week to my hike until I can get back up to 12 miles hiked in a day. Today I am walking to the trail that I will be doing my 3 miles on, so I have a little bit of a road walk first, but it's a beautiful day. I did lose power at my house this morning, so that was not fun, but thankfully it's a pretty day out here. It's already hot and humid, but 'tis Georgia in the summertime, so let's go get to the trail. We made it! Did you all ever just spend a day playing in the creek when you were a kid? Ooh, which way should we go? I think I'm gonna take the middle path and then see if I can cross this creek later. Thankfully the trails today are not super muddy. We've had a couple days of rain, so I thought they would be a lot worse. Our destination for this hike is actually just on the other side of this creek, but we have to take the long way around, 1, to get in the miles, and 2, because why not take the scenic route when you can? It's been a while since the last time I was here, and I'm pretty excited. Even though it is a weekend and I think it will be crowded, I think it's still gonna be a good time. Also, there's a dog park nearby, so if you hear dogs barking, it's fine. Got a little bit of a climb. Look at this fun guy. Dogs this way. Yes, please. Okay, remember when I said it was nice today? I might have lied. It's hot and humid. I just hadn't been walking for very long. But I did want to talk a little bit about consistency, which is something that has become important as I start adding miles to these hikes. So I think I mentioned in week 1 or week 0 that I wanted to start getting more consistent in the gym. And I have been doing that the last 2 weeks. I've been giving 1 day to strength training and 1 day to biking or some kind of cross training, maybe hopping on the elliptical for a few minutes. And I have not yet found my stride with it. I used to really love going to the gym and doing strength training, but right now it's just kind of been something to check off my to-do list, and I'm really hoping that I can find that passion again, you know, to where I really enjoy doing it like I enjoy hiking. Hey, look, it's me. I don't know what this is, but that is super cool. Yes to adventure. All right, the fun wildlife place I'm heading to is just up this hill and down the road, and I cannot wait to show you. One thing I cannot stand is when people use this confetti for pictures and they don't pick it up. Especially there's a dumpster right here. We're here. I'm here at Bear Hollow Zoo, which is tucked right into the town of Athens, Georgia. It's a permanent home for injured and orphaned wildlife who cannot survive back in the wild. And can we just talk about how adorable this otter is? He was playing and swimming around the whole time I was watching. So all these animals you see, including the birds, many carry injuries. That means that they will call this place home for the rest of their life. And the bears, actually, back in university, I got to help administer vaccines to one of the bears here, which gave me a front row seat to just how much care goes into keeping these animals healthy. Every animal here has a story, and every visit and every volunteer helps support the next one. Well, that is where we were heading next, but it looks like it's closed. Well, it looks like they are doing a renovation project on the park that I was going to head into next. So I'm gonna pivot and walk through the neighborhoods a little bit. We're at mile 2 right now. So I think I'm gonna head down to Earth Fair and grab myself some lunch or a sweet treat, maybe a chocolate milk, and then I will walk back to my house, which is another mile, a bonus mile after that. It definitely feels about 10 degrees hotter here on the pavement than it did on the trail. Oh no, I hope this isn't someone's dog who got out. Hi. Do you have a home? Hello, sweetie. Hi. You are such a sweetie. Well, he ran into the backyard of someone who was working outside. Plus he had a tracking collar on. I'm assuming that was their dog. I don't know. I'm gonna let him be. All right, before I got distracted, I was going to ask you all the question of this week's video, which is, what is an animal that you either want to see or love to see in the wild? For me, it's a wolf, and I will never forget, I'm about to get on the main road, so I hope you can still hear me over the cars. I will never forget when my friend and I were doing a road trip through Yellowstone, and we had gotten up super early one morning, and we were heading, I think, to the canyon, like the waterfall, to go and take pictures. And it was 4 a.m., like barely light out, summertime, and we saw a wolf. Like, it ran behind our car. We pulled over and we watched it. We watched it running through the field for a while. It was one of the most magical experiences. I don't know why, I feel like a spiritual connection to wolves in general. Love them. They're my favorite animal. Maybe it's because they're dogs. I don't know. But either way, that's mine. What's yours? I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to film too much more just because of how heavily trafficked this road is, especially on the weekend. But I'm almost down here to Earth Fair, and I'm hungry, so I think I'm going to grab lunch. These are pretty. I had completely forgotten that pharmacy was there, and where else can you get lunch for $6 these days? So good. I had a grilled cheese, Diet Coke, and some chips, and now I am making the trek back home. I'm also hoping that it doesn't start to rain because the forecast is calling for rain for the next several hours. I have made it back home, but before I hop in the shower, I think I am going to jump in the pool. Thanks so much for coming along with me for week 3, even though it was a little bit unconventional. Next week, if the weather cooperates, I am hoping to climb my first mountain of this challenge, probably both physically and metaphorically. So make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications if you want to come along for next week's adventure. And I will see you all again very soon for another great day of hiking. Bye!